Maybe today wasn't perfect, but it was still a gift. The sun still found me through the rain. A quiet smile eased the pain. Small blessings passed my way, enough to thank another day. A stranger way, a child laughed, the ocean sang its simple path. Some victory can't be seen, they live between the in-between. For every breath, for every step, for every test. Thank you for today. I'm still here, still believing, still sincere. Tomorrow waits, but not today. Today deserves my thanks. Jah, thank you.